Today I show you a premium vaporizer. Look at that. Owar. Nice. However you want to say that. This is a really nice little device here. Underneath this nozzle is that coil, okay? And then inside here is where you actually put the concentrate. And as you heat it, this gets hot and it pulls it out through this top piece here, and then into the nozzle. This is some cherry limeade concentrate, some dabs that we had made out of some of our outdoor flower this year at Electric Farms. And here's me pushing the button. Boop. And now I'm going to use it. Electronic portable vaporizer for concentrates. Woo, man. Anyways, I like it. It works really nicely. This is high CBD, low THC. And this is a premium vaporizer, really portable, lightweight. Here's more information about this. Owar, Atman, or unusual. Boost your love though, I like that. 3 temp settings, container with silicone, triple quartz coil, and 1100 milliamp. So far I've used this for about a month. Just thought I'd do a little review and show you guys this little device because I think it's cool and I like it so far. It works. And I haven't actually had to charge it yet, which is unusual. But that's good. That means the battery's nice. It comes with this little scraping tool, an extra coil, which I need to put that back in the bag, otherwise I'll lose it, or the box here. Thanks for watching.